How to see the comments you have made on your YouTube account simply from your YouTube here on your front of you. For this, you have to open the YouTube website or the YouTube application in front of you, and then I will show you the genuine steps how you can simply delete, view, or organize the comments on your account. So simply viewing comments on your account, you simply have to view your comment history. Firstly, go to the comment history page. You can click on this direct link. Let me just click on that. There is a comment history, and it will redirect me to the YouTube page where it will show all my comments that I have made on different YouTube channels across the YouTube while using or watching the YouTube videos. You can see all the content or comments here I have done. I can simply delete also, or I can remove or edit the comment from this same menu. This is all about the video, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, videos and reviews like this. Keep watching, keep loving.